Hi traders, so as you see I am on the top of the mountain again and I'm handsome anyway. So as you may see also I am really thirsty, so I will approach a little village behind me. I will fly probably because I am a demigod, but it is obvious, I guess, at this point, if you saw my other videos. So in this video I will talk about why your EA, your robot, your expert advisor, your Calgo bot will fail. And there are a couple of reasons why they will fail. And it is mostly because you are too thirsty for their attention, as I'm thirsty for this water in the village. But life is life, so just get some technical details on this topic. So first of all, I think the most important reason why your EA will fail is over trading. So most programmers make their EAs to shine, to just gambling, and for gamblers actually. And if you are watching my channel, you are not a gambler, you want to be a serious trader. So you want to be free, and you want to make love whenever you want, and it is so important that you will do everything for it. So don't be lazy, and the first reason was overtrading. And overtrading is so deadly because if you buy an EA and you trust it and you put it on a real live account and it starts to make hundreds of trades, it is unsurvivable. It is just, if you want to be a trader, you have to have the ability to handle your EAs properly. So don't buy an EA that will make hundreds of trades, even if the developer, the programmer, promises you that it will make you hundreds of thousands of dollars, because it is obviously not true, because life doesn't work this way. So the second thing is also really important, and it is over optimization. So when you look at the backtest of an EA and you see a really amazing chart that is just perfect, there is no there's no one tick that is bad in it, you have to be suspicious, because that will be just a scam, because there is just no perfect graph, there is no perfect backtest graph. Because if you want to be a trader, you have to listen to the details, the profit averages, the losing averages, and all the small details in numbers, and not just a fancy chart, that doesn't matter. And actually I think most traders, when they start trading, fail because of this, because of over optimized EAs. Because if you over optimize a robot, it actually won't work in real life. So if you see a robot with a perfect graph, a perfect backtest graph, it will fail in a real live account. And it is sad, but it is the truth. So don't buy an EA that is suspiciously just so perfect. Buy an EA that is, that the numbers are good, and don't listen to the fancy charts and the big, just the fucking, the numbers that are so shiny that you can't see the real truth behind them. So this was the second thing. And the third thing is, I've already talked about it, but it is so important that I have to talk about it. over and over again, and it is the dangerous betting strategies in the EAs that you will buy, because most programmers know that you are a beginner or an advanced trader, but you want to be free, and they will do everything to make you believe that their EA is the best for you. So they will use betting strategies in their EAs, like martingale, like the Fibonacci sequence, and other betting strategies that are all bullshit, because they were just invented hundreds of years ago, and gamblers invented it, and when they invented it, they were losers. So it won't work in today's world, where supercomputers trade against you. So these were the 3 most important things when you buy an EA that you have to listen to, and don't forget to drink enough water, because it is very, very healthy, and use cocoa butter for your skin. So, ciao.